Oh, get her, Hunter! Get her, Hunter! Get her, Hunter!
Yeah, there's two.
There's a cop in this parking garage.
Is that a fucking fella? What's up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That thing's pretty sick.
Yeah, those are sick.
Thank you. Go, go, go.
Oh, where can go?
Oh, get her, Hunter! Get her, Hunter! Get her, Hunter! Get her, Hunter! Yo, get her! What the? Yo, that thing's fast. She's going 30 on a scooter. Oh my god.
Grandma's that's looking. That's gotta be scary.
Yeah. Oh. She dropped her stuff.
That bitch dropped her Dr. Pepper.
Grab her stuff for her.
Fuck that. Let her method ass turn around and go pick it up.
You dropped your stuff.
I know I should have got it for her.
Yeah, I didn't want to break in front of you and you not know. Here's a trick, dude. Here's a trick. If you're on the sidewalk, you actually don't have to wait for the red light, and you can just go.
Dude thinks he's got jokes.
Yeah, but who's following me? You are.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a cop in this parking garage.
Yeah.
Oh,
Bikes aren't supposed to be on the sidewalk.
get from Tyler.
And what are you really gonna do if I take off this thing?
Yeah, I don't know.
Radio you in, and then you better go home. Turn your headlight on. You get a ticket.
Dude, I won't get a ticket.
Yes, you will. Watching you go down, that's so goofy.
It's kind of fun.
Take us to Zane.
Zane!
What's up?
Fuck, dude!
What the?
Yo, it's Jake.
What's up?
Yo. You wanna ride this thing?
Dude, don't leave me hanging.
Those
Man.
are E-Ride Pros. It's got a lot of power.
It's got a lot of power, as you can see.
Those two are $5 grand. This is the rear brake.
Rear brake, front brake, and then go.
Yeah, it's on.
Give it throttle.
Dude, they just took our e-bikes. They're not coming back.
I don't like no back brake.
I
don't like that. Is it front brake only? Or is it just one that does
it's like it's a hand back brake.
Oh, because you don't have a clutch.
So he's used to a motorcycle with a foot brake.
I could literally ride this thing all fucking day.
Dude, I know. They're so fun.
That's nuts. From a dead stop? That's crazy.
Dude, Tyler can like just like hold it. He'll like pick it up and hold it.
Like that?
Yeah. Exactly.
You gotta like hop on it and like keep the wheel going.
Bye guys. Bye Trent.
Bye Zane. Bye Trent.
Everybody's like, oh my god, I'm getting one. Then they hear the price.
Yeah, I'm not getting one.
I'm like, I don't blame you, man. I don't blame you.
These are sick. How much? $5 grand. Oh, never mind.
What's up?
What's up?
Yeah. There's cops over there looking at us.
Yeah, if you go down that way, there's a place to eat. What car? Where? Oh yeah, I see him.
Or left.
Yeah.
I'm out. I ain't even gonna let him walk over here.
Who's a what? Hey!
Nope.
Hey, get back here!
Where?
Get back here! You know, I'm gonna be like, get back here!
Can you move your bike into a better position?
I know, I'm about it.
Thank you. Oh, I didn't realize we were doing all that.
Dirt bikes flew past.
What the f?
Dude, what's that?
There was a dude sleeping. There was a dude sleeping.